Before I leave for the Hajj, do I need to seek forgiveness from my friends and relatives? Yes, you have to, and not only from your friends and relatives, but also from anyone whom you might have a spite with, anyone whom you had a fight with, anyone who is angry at you, anyone with whom you're not on speaking terms. Why? Because the Hajj will cleanse and purify you of all the sins, inshallah, which you have committed against huququllah, but it will not purify the sins that one has committed against other people. If you have cheated someone or fought with someone, then you have to ask that person's forgiveness, because only that person will forgive those sins, those whatever faults or problems that you have. So make sure that everybody is in a good state with you, so that the Hajj becomes a means of truly purifying you of all sin and all fault, inshallah.